Shobha Windsor, 3 BHK, premium unit facing towards the clubhouse and auntie side. Very beautiful view. This is the view from your bedroom. And this is your room. Comes with attached washroom. Foyer area, living room, and this is dining room with a portico here. You get ample sunlight in this unit because it's south facing balconies. The same view you'll get from all the bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. In the same view we'll get from here also. Big and spacious rooms. Kitchen comes here. Comes with the utility area. Utility area here. Bedroom number 3. Decent size, big enough. And the view is again beautiful view. So this shares the common washroom and the rest too shares the attached bathrooms. 18-17 square feet. Call Karthik My Dwelling. Asking price is 2.75 CR, slightly negotiable. I'm having on the 5th floor and the 9th floor. Thank you.